Truls Moregard eye-catching run in Houston continued as the 19-year-old Sweden shocked German veteran Timo Boll to seal his place in the men's single final. 40 and 19 years old, Timo Boll has worked hard. You deserve the cheers and respect of all the audience. The doctors all advised Timo Boll to withdraw, but Timo Boll still plays 7 games with injuries. Respect. Timo Boll 3-4, Truls Moregard 11-8, 11-8, 6-11, 8-11, 12-10, 8-11 and 5-11. Timo, congratulations on your amazing performance in this WTTC. You have given it your all, both physically and mentally, and you have matched your previous best finish. Always a tough competition. Win or lose, he is always being a gentleman. Always a role model on the field. In this sport, he is consistently ranked among the top. Truls Moregard is very smart. He knows that Timo Boll has trained abdominal muscle, so he attacked to the wide forehand of Timo Boll. I'm not accusing Truls here. I suppose that is what you have to do on this level. I really wish those two could have met in peak condition. Truls, best of luck in the finals. Truls Moregard is the new hope for Sweden, maybe the next Wagner in table tennis. He has many variations in his shots.
Yeah. Oh, in the end I lost it. The hero wins it in the end now. I mean, I tried my best. It wasn't easy physically, but yeah, I had a good start. So I was up and pushed myself even more. I believed I can, but yeah, he got used to my style better and better. Played smarter in the end, and yeah, in the end he deservedly won also, I have to admit. But of course I'm a little bit disappointed because I felt in one moment I have a chance maybe, but yeah, but that's life. You're an older player, this can happen, and anyway I'm happy to have been in the semifinals. Truls, he has a very unique style, I would say. Very unusual. We played the first time, so I think it was new for him to play me. I have also not the most common style, not a modern style anymore. But he plays also totally different, so it was a unique game. And yeah, but in the end he played really fantastic. He played difficult shots on the table, and yeah, he has a good future ahead. I will try keep going. I mean, I'm always surprised about myself that I could still make it that far. I mean, I came here without any high expectations. But yeah, somehow I managed it to reach the semis and tried my best. Lost to a young upcoming player. This can happen. I mean, but I'm happy with my performance. I pushed myself to the absolute limit, and more was not possible.
Let me ask you this question. Most young players are still wondering, how can Timo Boll still be playing above 40? What is the secret, Timo?
I mean, I try to live a professional sportsman life, and yeah, try to adapt to the modern styles. Try to develop also my style even further, and yeah, but many things are about the physical condition, and this wasn't perfect here, so I'm a little bit disappointed about that. But yeah, when you are 40, you cannot handle it perfectly.